multi-defect detection tool for large-scale PV plants, segmentation and classification. Abstract. This abstract includes an overview of the project, highlighting the keywords, existing methods, and their drawbacks. It explains the proposed method in detail, including a step-by-step implementation block diagram. The advantages and applications of the proposed method are discussed, along with the software and hardware requirements. Learning outcomes related to MATLAB and image processing are also mentioned, emphasizing the practical knowledge and skills gained through this project. Document. In document we can provide abstract, introduction, literature review, existing method, drawbacks, proposed method, block diagram, advantages and applications, software and hardware requirements, results, conclusion, references. Additionally, provide detailed information on MATLAB software, covering its history, capabilities in image processing, and specific steps involved in digital image processing relevant to your project. PPT. Multi-defect detection tool for large-scale PV plants, segmentation and classification. Include the following steps: abstract detailing keywords, existing method, drawbacks, proposed method, implementation block diagram, advantages, applications, results, conclusion, software and hardware requirements, literature review, existing method, proposed method, block, advantages and applications, software and hardware requirements. Outcomes. Open the code files in the file manager and copy the code path. Next, open MATLAB to 0 software, paste the copied path, click on the main.m file, and run the code. Select an image to process. The first figure shows the original input image, the second figure indicates detected objects with labels using FASTR RCNN object detector, the third figure indicates the architecture unit layer graph, the fourth image indicates detection image using unit, FASTR RCNN, and semantic segmentation, the fifth image indicates final classification results using dialog box. In the command window display the training process, metric values, that is training accuracy and abnormality. Status. Thank you for watching. For more details contact 9030333433.